Hello, my yogis. I have another asana tutorial for you today. This time is a deep back bend called Setu Bandhasana. So come on down on your back. Knees are bent slightly apart, not too much, because I want your feet to have sort of like a fishtail here. But these feet are going to aim to be completely on the mat. Your outer edges are going to want to press more, but also try to press with your big toes as well, so that you get a lot of the strength coming from your legs. Grab your butt, arc the back slightly, and place the crown of your head but slightly towards the back, not really at the top of your head. And then push with your heels, not to your lower back or your butt, always with your heels. And maybe you keep both arms on the mat, or maybe with time you can peel each arm off the mat and cross the hands around on the shoulders. And most of the weight here is supported by your quads and your legs. Gently lower back down with control. And release and relax. Now let's reestablish the back a little bit by coming into Viparita Karani. So bring the legs up into an L shape. Grab the back of the legs and roll yourself up. And come into Paschimottanasana, counter pose for the back. I hope you have enjoyed, my yogis. Don't get discouraged. This is a hard pose. Took me some very long time to do it. But do your best and always be safe. Pushing with the heels and your legs and not your butt or your lower back. Mwah.